Alright guys, on this one here, I got a leak in the apartment next door, which the master bathroom is on the other side of this wall, and they have a little bit of water seeping out by the sink and the toilet, and neither of those are leaking. So I checked the apartment above, nothing leaking up there, ran the water, came over to this apartment on the other side of the wall, find a good bit of water here underneath the sink. Check the lines, the disposal, everything seems good. So I got to turn the faucet on, and I noticed some water dripping out of here and right here. Looks like we have just a loose connection here. So I'm gonna turn this on, see what happens. You can see right there. And when this is down inside the faucet, every time I turn the faucet on, excuse me, they're getting water leaking all underneath here, and it's seeping back, going behind the wall in the apartment behind us. So we're going to snug this up here and get the water cleaned up underneath the sink real good, and that should take care of our problem. Okay, we got this handle here all tightened up, turn the water on, no leaks. Good to go. The one thing I did notice from running the water earlier, I've seen some water around the base of the faucet. So I'm going to shut the water off to the faucet, pull the handle off, and above the cartridge inside here there's a brass nut that we just need to snug up. When that works loose from over time, just causes the water to leak inside the faucet here and come out the base. So that'll take care of that issue. And I got everything pulled out of the sink cabinet here, everything that was wet, have it all out here, wiped it all down, got it sitting on some paper towels. There was no water on this side here. It was literally probably from about here over. Must be at a little pitch here. So anyway, got that all dried out underneath here, ran the faucet, nothing's leaking. So gonna tighten up the faucet here. And then I brought the dehumidifier. We'll plug that in, let it run overnight, just to make sure everything's dried up real good. And when they get home from work, they can put their stuff back underneath the sink here. We'll leave the cabinets open. Pop out this little black plug. Loosen your set screw and just lift the handle straight up off. It's a 3/32 Allen key. Just unthread your cap, and here's the brass nut that we need to snug up. We'll clean this off here real good. Plug it in there. Wow, pretty loose. There we go. Put a ring back on. Thread the plastic cap on. Then we'll reinstall the handle. There's your set screw right there. Stick your Allen key straight in. Line it up. Tighten it down. And don't forget to put your little cap back on if you still have it. Okay. Turn the water back on, and we'll test it out. Alright, get the dehumidifier set to run. I'm going to take it all the way down to non-stop. Fan on high. And then it will run until our bucket fills. Then they can just empty the bucket out, reinstall, and it will continue to run. And I'll be back tomorrow to pick it up. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.